Statement 47. How do you enjoy spending your time? We all have schedules filled with responsibilities. But are you making time for pleasures and excitement? It's so easy to get lost in the things we have to do. It's easy to think the things we need to do have to make us suffer. Your life doesn't have to be full of suffering. Your life doesn't have to be unsatisfying. You don't have to have trouble at every turn. You have control of your time. You choose how to spend it. You get to choose who you spend your time with. So what do you enjoy doing? Do you even know? So often we take on the activities and pleasures of those we spend time with. They like to go out and drink. I like to go out and drink. They like to sit inside and watch TV. I like to sit inside and watch TV. We spend so much time with other people. We forget that we liked to be creative. We liked to explore. We liked to have engaging conversations. Take some time to think about it. How do I enjoy spending my time?